Are you prepared to start a YouTube channel? If you answered yes, I highly doubt it. And in this video, I'll share with you what I wish I could go back in time and tell myself. There are two primary things that you need to have and understand how to use in order to start a successful YouTube channel. And I would like to turn things over to my friend Scott Berry, who will be telling you about the first.
Hi, my name's Scott and I run the YouTube channel Berryman81. There's no space in there because if you put space in my name, it doesn't find it. Basically, I run a channel where I review films with a difference under the tagline, there is no such thing as a perfect film. So what I do is I watch a film and I always pick out 10 flaws or 10 things that can make a film better. And that's what I do. Now, I've been asked what mistakes did I make when I first started. Well, the biggest mistake I would have to say is I was so unprepared. I just thought and assumed that I could just use a camera and say what I wanted. I didn't even watch properly what I was actually reviewing in the first place. It was just something from experience. And there was nothing. I literally used my phone. There was no lighting, no green screen, nothing. I didn't even have a script. That's how unprepared I was. So that was the biggest mistake I ever did, was being unprepared. Nowadays I have a script, not for this bit, I'm actually making this up as I go along, but I have a proper green screen, I actually have proper lighting, and I also have a proper camera, and I don't use my phone. But yeah, the biggest mistake I ever made was lack of preparation.
Now, it's important to realize that you don't have to have expensive equipment in order to start a YouTube channel. You just need some basic lights, a camera, and some type of microphone. And you can even simplify this even more by using your smartphone as the camera, using natural light and whatever household lights you have as your light source, and then just a cheap like $25 body microphone, and you are ready to go. And the thing to think about here is you do need to have these basic things in order to help you create better content. The type of content that doesn't turn people away because they can't hear you or they can't see you clearly. But you don't need to have extremely expensive equipment in order to start creating. So just use what you have and try to make sure that you have some basic things in order to make your content such that people can actually enjoy watching it, even though it's not at such an incredibly high level like the production quality of large channels. And what's interesting is I recently did a poll and I found out that sound is one of the most important aspects to people when watching videos. And if you simply buy a cheap microphone and learn to process your sound in a free program like Audacity, then you can greatly improve your sound, which will help your videos perform a lot better, even as a new YouTuber. The second thing that you need is keyword research tools and to learn how to use them. Now, there are 4 primary keyword research tools that you should be learning how to use and getting access to. The first is TubeBuddy, the second is vidIQ, the third is Morningfame, and the last is Google Trends. If you get access to these keyword research tools, or at least one of them, and you learn to effectively use it, then this will make you a lot more successful as a new creator. The mistake that most new YouTubers make is they don't realize that they should be targeting long tail keywords in their videos. Long tail keywords are less competitive and thus a lot easier to rank for, and that they should be building their video all around one specific keyword, and that their keyword research should be the first step, and that it is the foundation of a successful video. Get the right gear and learn to use keyword research tools, and you will be amazed at how so little can go so far on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, you might also like my video on YouTube advice for beginners, which is an awesome collaboration video that is packed with tips that are designed to help you as a new YouTuber to be a lot more successful from the very beginning. And I will be linking that video right here on the screen, and I would just like to encourage you to watch it because it will help you get the results that you are after. And if you could do me a favor, jump in the comments section below and tell me which keyword research tool you use and why.